Good to see you today's meeting.
Hi, how are you?
Good, very good. Thank you. I'm always happy with Ellie.
Oh, good.
How's you guys settling going in Australia?
Actually we moved in Australia last month. So, you know, we can't speak English and then her mom is working now. So she has no time to play with Ellie. So sorry for my bad English.
No problem at all. It must be so hard for Ellie.
I signed a lot of document for finding the Ellie's friend, so she may be so stressful. And today meeting for that issue.
Well, first of all, I really want to say she's having good time with us. But yes, as you sign on some incident report, there were some biting issues happen, and I can see she displays not verbally enough as she used to be.
Oh, I feel very sorry because Ellie's mom is so busy today, and then Ellie play alone at home, and Ellie and her mom actually can't speak English at all, so they may be stressed out. So is she sad here?
No. We have given emotional support as much as we can, but I'm now trying to figure out what we can do more for Ellie by working with you.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem. And I'm actually thinking of having Korean learning project with you, so Ellie can feel the sense of belonging. What do you think?
Oh, that's a good idea, but try teaching?
Well, it doesn't have to be teaching, but if you can share your culture with our children and educator, it would be so great. And at the moment, we don't have Korean stuff, so I'm actually thinking of having workshop for supporting Ellie.
Oh, sounds great, but I don't know what to do because English is my second language, so Ellie may be more shy.
Well, I can share my resources with you, or if you explain your culture to us first, then we can work out together.
Oh, that's good.
Also, if you want, she can use her language in our center.
Oh, but Ellie's mom wants learning English.
Oh, yes, I understand that point. But I think when she is settled in the new environment, she can achieve positive learning outcomes, especially about learning English. So actually, some parents, they want their children to keep their own language because anyway, they will learn English in daily life outside of the center and as well as big schools.
Oh, yeah, you're right. So, thank you for good advice.
No problem.
Yeah.
And our online platform is open 24/7, so you can contact or send a message through anytime you want. Also, when you go out, I'll give you the brochure having all the detail about supportive agencies. I think it will help Ellie's mom to reduce her stress.
Thank you so much. That's very useful, I think. Thank you today.
No problem.
Bye.
Bye.